Good morning. We've got him, I think.
Yes.
Okay, you're Lupe Gomez?
I'm known as Rebecca.
Okay. What is your last name, Lupe?
As far as I should have been in respect, I'm challenging you according to 22 United States Code 611 as a foreign agent.
Okay, well, this is state court, not federal court, and you can challenge, here you go, let's just listen. You can challenge whatever you want, but we're gonna, good morning. We've got him, I think.
Yes.
Okay, you're Lupe Gomez?
I'm known as Rebecca.
Okay. What is your last name, Lupe?
As far as I should have been in respect, I'm challenging you according to 22 United States Code 611 as a foreign agent.
Okay, well, this is state court, not federal court, and you can challenge, here you go, let's just listen. You can challenge whatever you want, but we're gonna move forward with your case with or without your cooperation. And so,
The jurisdiction?
I'm sorry,
The jurisdiction of this court?
what about it?
What jurisdiction is this court operating in?
The Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, yeah, so, Stop talking. Mr.
What jurisdiction this court is operating in?
this is cause number 23 DCCR 0319. Mr. Gomez, don't speak over me.
Proving that I am dead, I'm also ordering you to bring the bonds forward to see who's going to indemnify me.
Are you saying you're dead? Is that what you just said?
Are you going to bring the bonds forward to see who's going to indemnify me?
I'm going to take care of the court the way I take care of court. You're not in charge here, I am. And so,
You're a
Mr.
foreign agent.
Well, I'm really,
Invoking judicial powers according to the 11th Amendment.
okay. So, Mr. Rojas,
Mr. Gomez indicated to me that he was not going to accept a plea in this case.
Sure.
I signed up on the tablet. He refused to sign. He wanted to have this hearing in front of court, so
sure.
we can.
So what is the offer? Let's go through. It's, the charge is evading arrest or detention with previous convictions from August 29th of 2022. The indictment alleges that Mr. Gomez was previously convicted of evading arrest October 9th of 2002. And then after that was final, was convicted February 10th of 2009 with the offense of evading arrest. And after that was final, convicted April 15th of 2011 of evading arrest. And what that means is a state jail felony that the range of punishment is between 6 months and up to 2 years in a state jail prison if convicted by a jury. And what is the offer that's been made?
So 1 year state jail, Judge.
And so, Mr. Gomez, the state has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 1 year term in the state jail prison. You have every right to refuse that and have a jury come in and determine whether or not you're guilty and what your punishment would be. And is that what you want? Do you want to have a jury trial?
I will challenge proceedings and I don't consent to the proceedings.
Okay, what do you not understand?
You have disclosed the nature and the cause of the accusation again.
What?
You have not disclosed the nature and the cause of the accusation.
I just did. The nature and the cause of the accusation against you is that on August 29th of 2022, it's alleged that you intentionally fled from Chad Morrison, a person, don't talk over me, a person that you knew was a peace officer. That's the allegations against you. So if you say you did not do that on,
I'm not going to enter it.
you're not going to, okay, so we'll get a jury set up, and what we'll do is Mr. Rojas handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. What I can do is release him and appoint another attorney today who can begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you? Are you not going to answer that?
I still don't understand the proceedings.
Okay, well, we've explained them to you. And what I'll do also, since you're saying you don't understand the proceedings, is I'm going to have Mr. Gomez evaluated for competency to stand trial. If you'll get that order done, Mr. Gomez will have someone come out to see you to do an evaluation to see if you're competent and whether or not you understand the proceedings. Mr. Rojas, you are released, and we will appoint another attorney today to begin preparation for trial, and we'll get a jury as quick as we can.